Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mowgli is king. This is the story we are going to read today. This story is adapted from the book The Jungle Book. You have already watched the movie in school, The Jungle Book. This book is written by one of the great writers, Rudyard Kipling. You are aware about the character of Mowgli, the boy who lived with wolves in the jungle with two friends, Bear and Panther. Now, before starting reading the book, let us see who are the main characters in it. The first main character in the story is Mowgli. Mowgli is the hero of our story. He is a human boy. The story revolves around him. Wolves. Wolves are the ones who protect Mowgli from tiger in beginning and raised him. Bagheera the panther. He is one of the friends of Mowgli. Baloo the bear. He is another friend of Mowgli. Sher Khan the tiger. He is the villain of our story. He does not like humans. Kaa is the snake. We have monkeys also in the story. Now, let us read the story. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived an angry tiger. One day, the tiger saw a baby boy. The tiger did not like man's babies. He said, "This is a jungle. You cannot stay here." As he hates man's babies, when he saw this baby boy there in the jungle, he says to him, "It's a jungle and you are not allowed to stay here." Then some wolves came that way. Some wolves came that way. They saw the boy. They chased the tiger away. They helped the boy. They saved him and chased the tiger, ran after the tiger. They said to each other, "We will look after this boy. We will look after this boy." The baby boy stayed with the wolves. As this boy was very small, he lived with them comfortably. They loved him a lot. They named him Mowgli, and he was named Mowgli. One afternoon, a panther came to visit the wolves. One day a guest came, a panther, to visit wolves. The panther saw Mowgli and asked, "Who is he?" "He is our son. His name is Mowgli," said the wolves. They replied, "This boy is our son. His name is Mowgli." Mowgli grew strong. Now Mowgli is day by day growing and is turning strong. He was not afraid of the wild animals. Now, as he lived in the jungle, he is not afraid of wild animals. One day, when he was playing with a bear, the angry tiger came that way. "Don't be afraid," said Mowgli to the bear. The tiger was not hungry then. He walked away. So this tiger was not hungry, so he had not attacked them. One morning, some monkeys saw Mowgli. They said, "We want Mowgli to be with us. We want Mowgli to be with us." These monkeys, as you have seen, they are very naughty. They took away this Mowgli. They tried to pull Mowgli and take him away. There were many monkeys, and Mowgli could not fight with them. As the number of monkeys was very much, he could not fight with them. Mowgli could not fight and saved himself. He shouted, "Help! Help! Someone please help me!" The panther came that way. He helped Mowgli, and suddenly a panther came. Bagheera. He helped him. A huge snake called Kaa also came to help Mowgli. A snake also, whose name is Kaa, also helped him. When the monkeys saw Kaa hiss at them, they ran away. When they saw Kaa came to help Mowgli, they ran away. These monkeys got scared and they ran away. Now Mowgli had many friends in the jungle. Now this Mowgli is having many friends. Kaa is there, Panther is there, Bagheera, this bear is there. One day the tiger came to Mowgli and said, "You are not a little boy now. Leave the jungle at once. Now you are grown up. Leave the jungle. I will not allow you." This tiger said to Mowgli. Mowgli was clever. He got a torch. When the tiger saw the flames, he ran away. Mowgli was clever. As he was a human being, he used his brain. He opened the torch. When this tiger saw this torch, he got scared and ran away. The wolf said, "Our main concern is your safety, and the best strategy to be safe is to leave the jungle. When you will leave the jungle, you will not have any threat of this tiger. This tiger will not harm you." So Mowgli went to a village nearby. There was a village close to this jungle. He went there. He met people. He learned how people lived and started to live like them. Now, earlier, he was living like an animal in the jungle. Now, in a village, he is living like a human being, like other villagers. But he liked the jungle more. But he has more interest in jungle life. He is more happy in jungle life than this village life. Mowgli had a herd of buffaloes. They were strong. One day, the tiger came for Mowgli again. This tiger was again for Mowgli. He came to attack him again. Mowgli sat on a buffalo and called his herd. When this boy saw this tiger, he sat on a buffalo and called his herd. Group of these buffaloes. The buffaloes chased after the tiger and then ran over him. They chased the tiger away and ran on him, and he died. The tiger died. All the other animals said to Mowgli, "You are so strong. We want you to be our king." And when they saw tiger is dead, when all the animals in the jungle saw tiger is dead, they came to Mowgli and said to him, "You are so strong. We want you to be our king." And in this way, he became the king of the jungle. and he lived happily with the other animals ever after. Thank you. This is the end of the story. Hope you enjoy it.